These are the elevators at Ramsey Route 17 train station parking garage in Ramsey, New Jersey. We're both on 3. So let's see which one we get. Oh, it's this one. I think it's the right one. Sounds like I'm always wrong with this stuff. That was the machine room. Left indicators burn out on 2. I think it's either Dover or ThyssenKrupp. Let's look in the elevator cab. Alright, this is a ThyssenKrupp. Here's your favorite security camera. Set up to 5. Alright, here we are on 5. Let's get a view. There's Route 17. If you can look in the distance, you might see the top of the Sheridan. Mawa. Try to see if I can get there later. Yeah, there's the bridge to the, what's it called? The Hoboken in New York City bound side. I think that's eastbound, around the closer to the Westbound Platform. And there's Route 17. We are at the top of the garage. To the deck. Looks like level 5 is green. There's an NPE. A lot of security cameras in this place. And these are ThyssenKrupp. Let's see what the capacity is. What's that? One, the lights just went out. Capacity, I cannot find. Oh, there it is. Capacity is 4,500 pounds. Again, let's get the indicator in the windows at once. Alright, here we are on 1. Oh darn, somebody's here. Take the other one. Close up. Alright. Let's be going up. Let's get the other one. I think that one probably went to 3. Yeah, to take the bridge across. And this one is burnt out on the outside indicator. Good. Now that we have it to ourselves, we'll just right up to 5 and then we'll go to 3. Again, the capacity is 4,500 pounds. Again, Big Brother is watching. This one seems to not move as fast. Okay, button goes down 5. Okay, now we're going to go back to, we're going to go to 3. Looks like all the floors besides one can be locked. Not that they have any real value of locking because you can just walk around the deck. So those doors are unlocked always on the deck side, and locked and can lock on the elevator side, even though they're probably not. Probably should be the other way around if these lockouts would have any value, but then again, there's really no point in locking it out once you're in the deck. Alright, there goes that elevator. Now we're gonna go across the bridge. There's Route 17. There's the train platforms. There's a Big Brother camera. Actually, 2 of them for that matter. 3 of them, that is. It goes down to the Port Jervis-bound side. Another Big Brother. There are the tracks. Here's the other set of steps down to the Hoboken, New York bound side. Nice looking picture, by the way. Pretty cool. And here's the elevator. Now you'll notice the other side didn't have an elevator. The garage elevators count as the elevators to the westbound or Port Jervis bound side. This is the elevator, which is ThyssenKrupp, like the garage elevators. This is to the eastbound Hoboken, New York bound side. Even though you can't go straight to New York like this, but you know what I mean. Hoboken bound. Look at this. Look at that Big Brother camera. It's all disconnected. Yeah, notice it says 3 even though we're on 2. Now we go down. It's elevator number 3, capacity 4,500 pounds as well. I think it's 3 because it's equal to garage level 3, but they just label it as 2 on the indicator and the floor labels. Okay. Here's the elevator machine room. Gonna have to pause the. Alright, back now. Again, there's the machine room. This is the eastbound side. Now, here's the elevator. There again is that Big Brother that's out of order. Go up to 3 or 2, whatever you want to call it. You know what? Well, yeah, we'll take one more trip. Notice that 3 or 2, whatever it's called, can be locked out. See all the fixtures. Here we are back on the platform level. There's the help button. Alright, go to 3. 3/2. We'll take the bridge back across. Button already went out. There it goes. Here's the picture of the train. We'll go back across. Here's the train picture. There are a couple people, so I didn't want to get them on camera. There's the side that I'm going to be riding. We're going to take the elevators back downstairs. And there's Route 17, closer to the southbound side. Level 3, orange level. Looks like Elevator 2's waiting for me. Indicator, the directional indicator doesn't work. Alright, let's go back to 1. Finish it up. Okay, you can hear the other one moving. Okay, we are back on 1. See some stuff on the inner window. It's level 1, a purplish or magenta-ish like level. There goes that elevator. That's it.